Alright, in this video, I will talk about the permutation for bracelet. After I make my last video about the permutation for round table, I actually introduced a formula which is called NPR over 2R or n minus 1 factorial over 2. Both of them are using at the same method, but just this one you have n item, you only choose R item, but this one you have n item, you use all the n item. So both of them are the same formula. Alright, just use at a different scenario. Okay, I say you will use this one when, if I arrange the human, right? So remember we talked about the human case. That means these 4 people, let's say they want to sit at a round table. So if I arrange them like this, A, B, C, D. This one I arrange like A, D, A, B, C, D. So you can see this one I actually arrange them at the clockwise direction. You can see this one I arrange them at the clockwise. But this one like A, B, C, D, I arrange them at the anti-clockwise direction. So if this is human, definitely we can see the difference. Because why? Because if I'm the person A, you can see right now, my right hand side is a person D. My left hand side is the person B. But in this case, my right hand side will be the person B. And my left hand side is person D. So if I'm sitting here, definitely I can tell the difference when B and D are actually swap different places here. This is what I call when the clockwise and anti-clockwise is not the same. So in these cases, right, yeah, you can only use the n minus 1 factorial. You no need to divide 2. But if there's a condition when we do clockwise or anti-clockwise, both also give us the same result, then we need to divide 2. So therefore, in this condition where we have the bracelet, like let's say A, B, C, D is no longer the human, I will say it's a bead for bracelet. Alright, so let's say A, B, C, D are just the different design of the bead here. So if I put them like this, A, B, C, D clockwise, and A, B, C, D. You can see this is anti-clockwise. This one is basically clockwise. So if I arrange clockwise and anti-clockwise for bracelet, like they are the same because why? First thing, the A itself is not human, so don't have like specific perspective to realize B and D are not the same. Why? You just imagine if you can take up this bracelet and you trying to flip it over. If you flip it over, you realize this one is basically axis symmetry, isn't it? or you can say it's a reflection. So therefore, if I flip this bracelet over, I actually get exactly the same bracelet here. So you just imagine if you can take this bracelet, come out and trying to flip it on the other side, then you realize they are the same. So therefore, for this kind of example, we need to divide 2. So in these cases, let's say I have 4 different bits here. So I will just do 4 minus 1 factorial divided by 2. So this is 3 factorial divided by 2, which is 6 over 2, which is only 3-way. But 3-way, we kind of need to know which 3-way are we mentioned here. So let's see. Just now we say we only have 3-way, isn't it? So if I want to arrange, since A, B, C, D, and this one A, B, C, D are the same, like I mentioned just now. So therefore, I cannot include this one at one of the way. This is definitely not. So right now, if A at the opposite here, I put the C bit here. So I just want to make sure I insert another one. So let's say I put a B at the opposite, then this one can be C or D like this. This is one new way. Or this is A here. I already tried about put C, put B. So right now I put D at the opposite. And then here I will put about B, C randomly. So these are the 3 different ways. Because over here, C and B, I can swap place because, like I say, anti-clockwise or clockwise, they are the same. So I can just swap. And then definitely A and B, I can swap also if I want to. So same idea, this one, both of these can swap and both of these can swap also. So therefore, you only have 3 ways to form this bracelet. So if you have 4 it, so we'll just use the formula like 4 minus 1 factorial divided by 2. So let's say today let's say I give you 10 bits to choose. You only want to choose about, you need to choose about 4 only. 10 bits choose 4. So then you kind of need to use the formula 10 P4 divided by 2 multiply 4. Okay, so if you use a calculator for this one, we will get a quite big number. So let's say I have 10 bit, I only want to choose 4. So I have about 630 ways to arrange them. If I have 10 bit, I only want to choose 4. Alright, this video is very short, but I hope you get the idea. So normally we want to divide 2. We want to use the formula NPR over 2R, or n minus 1 factorial over 2. We will use both of these formula when we are talking about things, bracelet or some item, because we cannot use this one at a human case. We are human, we can easily differentiate it, and then there's no way you flip the table and arrange the people at opposite, something like that, right? Which is not possible. Anyways, I hope this short video at least give you some idea on when are we going to use this formula. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.